Look at that parking. First attempt and everything. I've worked up an appetite for breakfast. Let's go.
It was magical.
Thank you.
I enjoyed being there.
Thank you. We haven't been for a little while. We're going to East Coast 5. And then we're going to take a little walk along the beach, which is right there. The sea's right there. You can see it. Food was scrummy as always, wasn't it?
It was.
Yummy,
yeah.
yummy. We love going there. And we also love having a beach to walk it off on afterwards, because it's very much needed. Can't believe how empty it is. I mean, it's not that cold today. Hello, Daisy. Ho, 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 you gorgeous people of the interwebs, and welcome to a belated day 12 of my 12 days of Vlogmas. You might be able to hear it in my voice. I'm still pretty full of cold, but I got hit hard. I uploaded day 11, and I went downhill, man. I went downhill. And I'm pretty sure I know what's happened. If the camera wobbles, that's because Daisy's loving the tripod. I think I know what happened. We went to a Christmas quiz, and I think we were in a small space in a wine boutique with lots of other people, and I'm pretty sure there were people coughing and sneezing in there, and that's what I got. I got a cold from the end of it. Hi, Daisy. Hello, Daisy. She's so beautiful. So I basically spent, what was it, Friday was my last day at work, shivering at my desk. And then Saturday I spent in bed. I managed to haul my sorry ass out of bed for Christmas Eve lunch and then Christmas Day lunch. So we did still manage to do our Christmas plans in that respect. But it meant that I've still got an advent calendar for me and an advent calendar for the girls to share with you. The thing with Vlogmas, especially if you're working, is you might have days where you can film lots of different bits and pieces and then you have to try and stitch them together. Now for the out and about stuff, all the home stuff is done pretty much same day, because otherwise I don't feel like it's particularly, I don't feel like I'm in the Vlogmas zone. But some of the out and about stuff was filmed and then dropped into the Vlogmas's. Sorry, Daisy is going absolutely nuts over here. Hello. Breakfast, walk across the beach, that was done on the Sunday. We went to the quiz on the Tuesday, and Oh, come here, you. And then I got sick, didn't I, Daisy? And Daisy came and slept on the bed with me to look after me. Didn't you, Daisy? Yes, you did. I'm surprised the other one isn't in here, wanting to know where her Advent treats are. God, Daisy, you're so snuggly, little snuggle bundle. I love you. You can see I have got prezzies. Ta-da! There are prezzies here, all wrapped and looking lovely. But they are not for us because I am filming this on Boxing Day. Not sure if I mentioned that at the beginning. I'm filming this on Boxing Day. But these are for family. Who we have yet to see this year. We've done our prezzies, so I had it all, Daisy, I had it all planned out. I was going to do some lovely closing shots of me placing the Lion's prezzies under the Christmas tree downstairs, but no, I was laid up in bed, shivering and sweating and sneezing and coughing. This is day 12 Advent calendar. Now this one I wanted to keep to Christmas Eve, basically, and that didn't happen, but I wanted to keep this to Christmas Eve because this for me was the excitement of Christmas. I've done a few interesting fun things with my Advent calendar. I've got my 2024 planner supplies. I bought myself a ridiculously expensive Simple Human mirror to do moisturiser and makeup in, and it's worth every penny. I absolutely love it. You know, there's been a few things and I've really enjoyed, but this, for me, this is probably a little bit nostalgic, shall we say. A little bit in keeping with the year as well. What do you think it is, Daisy? Oh my God. How can I do anything when you're around? Because you're so pretty and so loving. This is what I got myself for my Advent calendar day 12. I bought myself a Barbie. I bought myself a Barbie. This is Barbie Extra. And if you can see, she's wearing what looks like a damier print from Louis Vuitton on her sort of basketball jacket thing. And it looks like she's carrying a purple lilac-y damier handbag. Where's the handbag? It's down there. There you go, you can see it down there. So she is extra. I couldn't find a Barbie extra with pink hair. So I went with the purple hair, the lilac hair. That'll do me just as well. I used to love playing with Barbies. I wasn't very girly playing with them. She was always getting into little accidents with my Cindy beach buggy that she used to drive around in. She's always taking Ken to the clinic for something, you know. It wasn't your classic girly stuff, but I absolutely loved my Barbies. And when I saw this one, obviously we had the whole Barbie core, and I did a bit of Barbie core stuff myself. I did some Barbie core styling, 5 Barbie core looks out of my own wardrobe, because pink is big for Barbie and pink is big for me, so that felt like a fun video to do. I'll have that linked down below. And then I saw this one, and I saw it just looks like damier. And she was perfect. She was absolutely perfect. So I bought her a few months ago, but I didn't want to give it to myself until Christmas, because I wanted it to be like my Christmas Eve. Am I going to get a Barbie this year for Christmas, or am I going to get a Barbie accessory or a Cindy accessory? Cindy is I think the UK equivalent of Barbie, and yeah, it just made me feel really nostalgic, and I really wanted to hold on to it till Christmas Eve so I could play with it then, and then I got ill, so then didn't really do that on Christmas Eve. Went out for lunch, came home, watched Highlander, that true Christmas film, curled up on the sofa with a hot honey and lemon, watched Highlander. So yes, this is my Barbie. You can expect to see her mooching around amongst my handbags on the shelves of dreams. I also looked up, and you can actually buy on Etsy like teeny tiny mini Hermes and Louis Vuitton and Chanel handbags for her. So I did consider ordering some of those for her, but then I thought it's probably taking it a bit too far, Gwenny. So there she is. This is my Barbie, my final gift to myself. So I was going to do a whole get ready with me for the quiz night, but it started a lot earlier than we were expecting. So it was a case of literally shut down the work laptop because it was on a Tuesday. We shut down the work laptop. The line was already making a paella for us downstairs, or warming one up that we bought from M&S. So we would have the opportunity to spend 5 minutes to eat something before we actually went to the wine boutique, because you want to line your stomach if you're going to the wine boutique. So the get ready with me didn't actually happen because there was just no time to do it, but I will show you what I wore because I thought it was quite fun and interesting. Excuse some of this because this is now my ironing rail. And if I turn around, yep, there's the ironing board. Behind the scenes. So I wore my pink Muppets Ho 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 t-shirts, and over the top of that I wore my pink Florence and Fred Christmas jumper that I bought. This was day one on my Christmas advent calendar, and I wore the Ho 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 t-shirt underneath because I knew at some point I was going to overheat and have to take this off, but I still wanted to be pink and Christmassy underneath. And I wore those with my new M&S black sequin wide leg trousers. Because I enjoy the juxtaposition, I paired them with these ash sneakers, plimsoll, high top plimsoll things. I've had these for years. They are not just filthy, they come like that, so a little bit like Golden Goose. They come a little bit beaten up already, although I have added to that over the years. My bestie gave me these for my birthday a few years ago. She's got some, she swears by them, and I really liked wearing these with the black sequin trousers because I thought I just liked that sort of glam up against grunge. It had been raining, so I wanted to take a bag that I could carry a few things in, like my umbrella, and because I wanted to stick with the pink, I went for the Marc Jacobs tote bag, and I took Dealey Boppers for everyone to wear. Yes, Daisy, that's right. I took Dealey Boppers for everyone to wear, and our besties rose to the occasion and wore them, so that was really, really fun. I did also wear a leather jacket, my Bieber leather biker jacket. We had a great time at the quiz. I'm not going to give you any spoilers as to whether we won or not, but I will leave you with the footage of the quiz, and then hopefully we'll be able to find a Lily and do the kitten's final advent treats. Hello Lily, where have you been? We've been waiting for you. Who's ready for the last 2 days? Yeah, 23rd and 24th. 23rd, where's 24th? Oh, it's down here. Right, let's see what we've got here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 5 there. Back. 1, 2, 3. 4. Uh-oh. There's one. Right, I've got a handful here for one cat and a handful here for another cat. So what I want is your cats to line up beautifully. There we go. And just like that, it was all gone. Lily. Good girls, babies. Next time, next year. Yeah, was that good? I'm so sorry, this last installment episode is late, day 12 of my 12 days of Vlogmas. So I'm going to say thank you very much for sticking with me, sticking with us, the lion and the kittens as well. And we hope that you are continuing the festive flavour, the fantabby-dozy festive flavour, and you are somewhere between food coma and what day is it in this weird little bit between Christmas and New Year. You've been fabulous, you've been Fandabby. There's a reason you're called the Fandabbies, and it's because you're Fandabby. And take care, I am going to go and get myself a hot honey and lemon. Yeah, very pretty. We was robbed.
We was well robbed.
We was robbed!
If we'd have only got the years right.
If only we'd got the questions right, or the answers.